Hey guys, this is Jason. Thanks for coming on my channel. Hey, what I wanted to show you here is a little bit of follow-up. As you know, I've made some financial investment videos over the last few months. One of the first ones was in November. I was telling people to sell, and at that time the NASDAQ was at 16,200, which turned out to be the peak. I said exit all long positions, which I was exited. This is not financial advice. We're only talking about paper trading here. And I made a follow-up video in December, said, you're going to have a few days here that it's going to rally, the Christmas rally, and you're going to want to get out. And I even made a video that day. I think the NASDAQ was around 15.8 and said, you need to get out. This is your last chance. If you didn't follow that advice, then we went further along. And when we got down to the NASDAQ at 12,600, I said, this is a temporary bottom. Don't be selling here. But be prepared on the bounce to exit again. I believe we rallied up to 14,000, possibly a little higher. And then the NASDAQ collapsed all the way to 11,100 here recently. So a significant 32% drop in people's portfolio value. I was not long at any one of those points down. What I want to show here is a trading account of mine that shows the trades for the past week. And as you see, I only made trades on one day that week. And what's important about that is I obviously knew something. And I traded throughout the day. And all the trades that I made, I was buying. I bought into SPXL, TQQ, and UCO, and a few other small stocks. These are the amounts that they take out of my account. And once I sell, then I will receive the funds back at either a higher or lower amount. What I want to show you here is you do not have to be in the paper market 365 days out of the year. I have only been in the market approximately 30 days this year so far out of 4.5 months, and I'm up over 20%. So 70 to 80% of the time I'm not in the market and have zero chance of losing my funds. And what I want to show here is we're going to show the SPXL, which I purchased in the morning at $76 a share. And as you can see, it was over 80 almost the entire week, except for May 12th. And I purchased right in here. So I bought a little early because it did come all the way down to 72 before rallying to 81, which is where it's at now. So that position's in a positive position. The other trade that I made a lot of trades on, you'll see here, is TQQ. Started buying at 28. The last buy was 26.85. That's a leveraged NASDAQ trade. So I've been negative on the NASDAQ since November, people, and I just bought in. And I want to show you something, that it was at 33, 32, 31 all week. What did I know? How did Jason know to buy right here, make this trade about right here through the 27s and the high 26s? We're at 31.63. I think it's pretty important to notice that no trades were made on the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Of course, a couple of those are weekends. I only bought in on one day. Show you just a couple others here. We have the UCO, which is an oil trade. 175 is what it's at. Did miss the buy here, about right here. So we are up in that trade. And another trade is this company, First Majestic, AG. We bought them at $7.65 a share just this past Thursday. So there's only been one trading day since buying them. And they are at $8.17 a share. So that's about an 8% gain in one day. Yeah, so people ask me sometimes, how come I don't take trading advice from others? I've been trading for over 40 years. I have somewhere in the area of 80,000 hours invested in studying and researching trading and actually trading. And I just want to let people know, when I make the videos telling you what I believe, am I always 100% correct? No. But I am only making the videos on days that I believe I'm 70 to 80% correct. And that's why I've only made a handful of videos. and they've all turned out to be correct. So just wanted to show you this, that I'm putting my money where my mouth is on paper. Anyway, guys, so if you ever want to reach out to me, you can find me if you want to talk about it. I always love chatting about this stuff. I love helping others. I want everybody to be safe during this time. We have some very turbulent things coming towards us. So being 100% invested in the market, in my opinion, is very dangerous at this moment in time. And I don't mean 100% of your whole wealth. I'm just saying your whole investment account. If you're long equities, it's going to be a rough ride. So take care. Start enjoying the spring weather. It's turning here for us. It's getting warm across the country. Go out, get exercise, and just make the best of it. All right. Thank you.